guys, so here I'm gonna present you one of my favorite snacks. So ngayon sabi ko, oh my god, they have this product. So papakita ko sa inyo, ito yung bago nilang product, Danish sandwich chocolate flavor. Yun, I can't wait to try. Manipis siya, pero mukhang masarap. Tingnan natin, guys. Tada! So this is the sandwich. Ayan siya, yung chocolate filling sa loob. Ayan siya, look, chocolate. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try. Tsaka yung biscuit niya, eto, yung sandwich niya na cookie, parang buttery. Let's try. Oh my god. Eto na nga yun, guys. Oh! This is exactly the same ng dinidip nila na tinapay. Katulad ng Yum Yum. This is it. Ginawa nilang sandwich. You know what I like the most sa product na to? Yung chocolate flavor. Kasi hindi siya sobrang tamis. It's not super sweet. So, as of today, I have my favorite Danish chocolate sandwich. Eto na yun. Sabi ko sa'yo, kain tayo. Thank you for watching.